What a day in the stock market. Over $11,000 in day trading profit, a huge move down in the overall market, and a day trading strategy that I think you're going to like and can make you a lot of money. Let's get right to it.
Now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought a whip, all in cash, live my best life. Bought a couple stocks, so I'm covered for the next 5. I don't like the top, but I know that's my.
What is happening, my money-making friends? It's your boy Jdun Trades with Team Bull Trading, and I hope you all had a great day. We are live and back on the money grind with a day trading recap and a stock market update after an insane day. Now, as far as day trading, over $11,000 in the day. So in this video, I'm going to go over exactly how I did that, the setup to do that, and as far as our market update, we're going to go over what we saw today, what the Fed talked about, and some other tips and tricks to help you make more money day trading and in the stock market. So all that out of the way, if you like making money, if you enjoy transparent trading, and if you get some value from this video, please consider hitting that like and subscribe button in the bottom right corner, and let's get rich together. Now, we're going to hop right into this as time is very valuable and we don't have time to waste. My big trade of the day, I had a few small ones, but the big trade of the day, it was not $60 on AMD, but it was over $11,000 on SPY. Now, that being said, had one small scalp before this, but the majority of this money came from this trade, and we're going to spend a little time talking about it, okay? A bear flag. Now, don't just leave the video right away. Oh, I know what a bear flag is. There's more to this video than that, right? And the point of this video and this recap is showing you the reason I went heavier on this is because when I see multiple confirmations, I go heavier. You know, it makes me want to take the trade more. Now, a lot of you guys are taking trades based on one level break or one confirmation of this or one confirmation of that. And the reason why I was so confident in this trade, live traded it and all, was because we had multiple confirmations. So let's go over this from square one. Big move up off this move from the Fed, 75 basis points hike, pump up. Right, we stay stagnant, can't cross 388. We wait for Jay Powell to start talking. Jerome Powell, head of the Federal Reserve, okay? So he starts talking. We go down right here, right? Have a little bounce back up and go further down. It's clear we're making a downtrend now, so we are weak, okay? We know the market sentiment. We know that we are weak. We're making lower highs and lower lows. Got it. So come down. Now, I notice that we start trending back up. Now, what's happening while we're trending back up on the 5-minute chart? Our volume is lowering. So, anomaly. Kind of mysterious, right? I'm like, okay, what do we got going on here? Then I look, okay, we have 2 touches down for a support around 382.3, which after 2 touches makes this a support turn resistance. So touch 1, touch 2, flush through. This now becomes a resistance area intraday. Okay, so now we have that. Then we notice that we have this bear flag forming. So I'm like, okay, you know, we have these touches down here. We have a bear flag forming. And let's just sweeten the deal up a little bit, right? Let's just go sweeten the deal up just a tad bit. Let's give ourselves some dessert with our massive dinner platter. Let's go here. I also noticed at this level, at this 382.6 area, we had our 8-day EMA. So one of my favorite EMAs intraday, I don't use a lot, but that's one of them. We had that confirming. We had support turn resistance here. We had a bear flag. We had an overall downtrend. When you have 4 things confirming a move, how can you not get in? How can you not get in? So I tell the team, live on voice, this is the area I'm watching for puts. And as you can see from their reaction, I'm going to show you, it worked out pretty well.
And how you're feeling today, baby? Do we make some money? Do we learn something? Let's go. Let's go, baby. Learning and earning. Either way, that's a dub. It's a dub in my book, baby. Dub, dub, dub.
So yeah, that was them after crushing it live trading with us in our Discord, which we do every single day. The link to join that is below. Otherwise, keep tuning into these, getting a lot of free game here as well every single day. So we enter these puts right here at 382.3 to 382.6. This was the zone. Had a tiny bit of drawdown up to like 383.1 and then a massive flush down. Now, let me just be clear. I did not hold this move all the way. I entered up here and I sold down here, right around this break. I missed out on this whole move down. Pain. Now, why did I miss out on this whole move down, right? Why did I sell early? Well, because my contracts moved very nice from here to here, right? So moved very nice for that scalp, for that day trade. But I didn't know at the time if Jay Powell was going to come out and say anything that would rocket us back up off this trend line. So when we got around here, I was like, you know what? I'm up over 10 grand on the day. When I hit 5 figures, I'm cool. You know, I'm not in this to, obviously I'd love to make 20, 30, 40K a day. It's coming. My biggest is 70,000. But on days like today, when things are going crazy, I was very fine with taking my $11,000, my 5-figure day, and chilling. So that being said, it's a really nice trade, very nice, trend trade, multiple confirmations. This textbook, this is the type of things you want to see as a trader. This is the type of thing that people charge you a lot of money to learn. So hopefully you soak it in, you learn something from this. And when you make money off a bear flag and all these confirmations next time, you use that to invest in yourself and join Team Bull, baby. So that being said, let's take a quick look. Let's take a quick look at the daily chart. Rejected this 390 area to a T. We've been talking about that literally forever, that area of confluence, that support turn resistance. 1, 2, 3 rejects. Hit that. Now we're back around this demand area of 375. So honestly, again, my thoughts haven't changed. We broke this trend line down, broke it pretty clearly down, made a lower high, broke that trend. I think we see lower. That being said, could be wrong, but I think we watch for potentially I can move back up to 380 like that, move back up here, and then reject for a lower low down. Now, bounce areas to watch. This 370 area is going to be really critical, so let's watch for this. If we don't bounce here, I think we're going even lower, and we're making new yearly lows, maybe even a 2008 scenario if the Phillies win and history repeats itself. So all that being said, it's been a really nice start to November so far. As you can see here, $14,353 to start November, 2 trading days, 77% win rate, 10 winners, 3 losers. We'll take it, which leads me to, I don't win every trade. I lose trades too. Like, it happens. It is what it is, right? Let's go over here. What do we see here again? I showed you the screenshot, but I'll show you this too. Let's go down. What do we see? $30 loss. I cut that basically break even. Cut this basically break even. Right? Massive win here. If I don't see a trade going my way, I'm not going to sit there and hope, right? I'm really good, and I pride myself on this. It's not cocky, it's just facts. I'm really good at cutting losers really fast. I lose trades sometimes. I do. But I cut them really quick, and I rarely have a big loss. My last red day was back in June, the middle of June. So all that being said, I encourage you to get really good at losing, right? Become a good loser, and you will make a lot of money and be a winner. So all that being said, hopefully this helps you. Make sure if you haven't already, hit that bell notification, hit that icon, hit subscribe, and let's get super rich and super ripped and super happy together. God bless. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Now I rep the O, what you know about the west side? I just bought a whip, all in